Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to upload music to Spotify on Android or iOS. Okay, so first of all, we will have to go to Spotify. So I will search it here, Spotify, and the app will be get opened. Okay, so you have to click on the library, which is below down here. You will see three options: home, search, and library. You have to click on your library, and after that you will get options here which will be pinned like songs or episode and local file. So click on the third one, that is local file, and it will show here that add audio. Just click on that and you have to allow your media location. Okay, so just click on allow and see that these are the recordings, or you can say songs that I have in my local file. It will see in here and you can just listen it from here. Okay, so this is the way that how you can upload it over here. But if you're uploading any song that is not possible to upload it from your phone, you have to go through the media distribution or music distribution through that process. After that you can upload it. Or if you want to upload a podcast, then there is a different thing that you have to do it from your from your PC or something like that. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, goodbye, take care.